अंदर पे
Shamita ma'am,
अंदर ही
ma'am is this corner, right corner?
here
बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट कलर्स यूज़ किए हैं एंड beautiful materials, a nice combination of lovely materials and work. And it's a combination of cute and sexy, I will say that. And I like the way she has an installation made out there with a whole story to it. And she very beautifully explained the entire story of this girl, which I thought was really lovely and different.
Okay, so something about Shubhika you would like to say?
Well, I must say her stuff is very different. I haven't seen something like this in a long time. And I mean, I don't know what to focus on because every piece is so different from the other. And yeah, it's just lovely. Very different stuff.
Okay, since we are talking about fashion today, so we would definitely like to know from you any two things which you keep in mind while you're getting ready or
While I'm getting ready, I think for me what's most important is whatever I wear, I need to be comfortable in it. If I'm not comfortable, I won't wear it. For me, apart from comfort, I think I will wear something that I think suits me, not just because it's in, at that moment.
Okay, so congratulations Shamita for Khatron Ke Khiladi. You are the
Thank you.
first participant to get the ticket to finale ticket. So सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे वो फीलिंग कैसी है?
हाँ, अच्छा फीलिंग है जब इतना हार्ड वर्क डालते हैं किसी में टू गेट अ रिज़ल्ट लाइक दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट एंड बहुत ही टफ शो. खतरों के खिलाड़ी बहुत ही टफ शो है एंड टू रीच ऑनेस्टली मुझे I didn't think I would reach the finale because it was quite a tough show to do. But after seeing the results of everything that we shot, I was quite proud of myself for even reaching the finals.
Okay, कौन सबसे ज़्यादा tough competitor आपके हिसाब से?
सारे tough है. I mean, you've seen what kind of contestants, but I think Puneet was the toughest.
Okay, something lastly कुछ fans के लिए बोलना चाहेंगी regarding खतरों के खिलाड़ी or something?
Well, I would like to just thank all the fans out there, everyone who's watching this show, for making the show the big hit that it is. I think from the time it has aired, it's had the highest TRP on TV as far as reality shows are concerned, and I just want to thank all of you for that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Shobita, no?
Shubhika.
Shobika.
Shubhika.
Shubika.
Yeah.
You see, right? Yeah? You can say this now. Yeah? What do you want me to start off with? Ask me maybe, and then I'll just continue with
I
whatever.
think just start saying hi, I'm at Ponya's pop-up shop and we have Papa Puneet's pop-up come tomorrow and how you like the collection.
This is the first collaboration with Konya, right?
They are already here, but it's a pop-up.
They're already totally with the word collaboration. Okay, so I'm at the Pernia pop-up shop. Okay. Pop-up shop. Okay. So I'm at the Pernia pop-up shop and you can see some lovely Papadon Beach creations out here. Very, very colorful, very vibrant.
मैं तो और रुका के ले लेता
यार पीछे तो पीछे थोड़ा ये पीछे
एक मिनट हमें फोटो नहीं लेना मैम रुकिए मैम रुकिए मैम रुकिए
दोनों ले लो
ठीक है समिता मैम यहाँ पे
मैम एक मिनट एक मिनट एक अबे ओए इधर आना यार
रुक जा भाई ढक्कन मत कर
मैम ए पीछा अरे भाई 1 मिनट रुक जा ना भाई डर गई भाई और डर गई
एक मिनट भाई हटिए ना रुक जा भाई हाँ चल
ए जाने दो मैडम को ए भाई साइड हो ना भाई भाई जरा ए पीछे आना
मैम लास्ट ये राना मेरा बार ना
एक मिनट
ए
भाई
भाई जरा साइड दे दो साइड
मैम समिता मैम लास्ट
ये मेरा राना मेरा बार ना
अजीत पीछे आना जा
पीछे जा
मैं तो रुका के ले लेता
यार पीछे तो पीछे थोड़ा ए पीछे हो।
एक मिनट हमें फोटो नहीं लेना मैम रुकिए मैम रुकिए
दोनों ले लो
ठीक है ना
समिता मैम यहाँ पे
मैम एक मिनट
मैम एक मिनट
एक मिनट
अबे ओए इधर आना यार
रुक जा भाई ढक्कन मत कर
मैम ए पीछा अरे भाई 1 मिनट रुक जा ना भाई डर गई भाई और डर गई
एक मिनट भाई हटिए ना रुक जा भाई हाँ चल
ए जाने दो मैडम को ए भाई साइड हो ना भाई भाई जरा ए पीछे आना
मैम लास्ट ये राना मेरा बार ना
एक मिनट
ए
भाई
भाई जरा साइड दे दो साइड
मैम समिता मैम लास्ट
ये मेरा राना मेरा बार ना
अजीत पीछे आना जा
It's about Alison, how she wakes up one day to find herself on a very straight. She's a very positive girl and she's like, oh, that's the one.
समिता जी
I love butterflies and I'm obsessed with them. So this is about being lost like how it was 2009 last year. That's exciting. She wakes up and she's like that. Great, she did that. Okay. So we did all these graphics with a really nice phone obsessed with the phone. So she puts the phone on her ear, but all the words, the conversation is phone down. She's like, it's all small talk, it's not really feeling here. So she's like, this is not for me. And then she sees people are obsessed with their screens. So she finds a screen and that's yeah. So she's like, oh, I think I'm better. I think this is what she wants me to do. Like, I made it from that. So she goes to her Nothing else will do. It's basically an accessory and not really a first person. So selling a scene by scene and like how that's the canvas. This is where you was doing. It's really lovely. Are these sunglasses? Yeah, these are. So we shot this. Oh, these are those ones. That's a like a proud laugh. Very funny laugh. I love it. It's so cute. Maybe I should like fix the comment about their shows. Yeah.
Amita ji. Iधर look. Yeah.
Yes.
Amita ma'am here.
These bags are adorable.
Amita ji आप थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आओ करा रहा है
पिकर नहीं हो
यहाँ पे ऐसे
अमिता जी यहाँ पे सेंटर है
Amita.
These are head tears.
actually lovely. I love your bags. They're too cute.
So this is the doctor shot. You want to take a picture three of yours together?
ये look center में all of you.
Thank you.
This is close enough? Okay.
Okay, so Shubhika, starting with you, tell us something about your collection today.
So my collection is called One Way Ticket. It's about a girl, which is Amrita, who's playing my muse in it. It's about Alice who wakes up one day and finds herself in a very strange world, which is Earth, and it's about her adventures and how she experiences all the different things on Earth, but ultimately decides to find her way back home, which is to Wonderland.
Okay, so tell us what did you like about this collection today? And
Everything. I love the color and the fantasy and just the feeling of being in this alternate little magical bubble. It was just the whole concept of the shoot and the clothes. It's just, I loved it.
Okay, so obviously we are talking about fashion today.
Okay.
So what are the two things which you keep in mind when we talk about fashion? We would like to know from you both.
Personally,
Personally.
I don't know how to answer that question because fashion to me is my work also, and it's also a personal thing, and I think it's the same for her as well. She's also a designer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. For me, luckily it's ever changing, ever evolving. That's what keeps it fresh and new for me. So I don't really have a very fixed definition for it.
And you?
I think I would agree with her. I don't have a fixed definition for it, and I'm not someone who definitely goes with what's on trend. Perhaps I don't even know what's on trend right now, but I see fashion as an extension of your personality. It's the way to wake up every day and sort of express yourself in terms of colors or what you're wearing or just how you want people to view you. And I think that's one way, a very strong way of expressing just who you are and what you like.
So let me tell you, you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
So tell us something about the wearing.
Do tell them about what.
So this was a part of the collection when we shot it, and this was used in a scene where she's making a decision with herself. You know, talking to herself, introspecting, trying
Which
to
I
figure
do
out,
often
yeah,
in life as well.
trying to figure out what makes her happy, who she is, what does she want to do, does she want to be on earth, does she want to go back. So it's that kind of a chapter where she's wearing this. So the silhouette is straight, it's a no nonsense silhouette, but yet at the same time it's got the shine, it's got the sparkle, it's got the happy colors. So you know, even when we're in that state of serious and deep thought, a Papa Don't Preach girl, or in this case the wearer of this outfit, always keeps that happy and the positive vibe always going.
And looks
in
sexy.
and looks very sexy if you have that body.
Okay, 2019 is your, from your side to come, you know.
Right.
Talking about mental health,
Yes,
India's
yes.
most wanted.
No, I'm not in India's most wanted, but I am in mental hair care.
Mental health, yeah. So tell us something, how is the preparation going on?
So I finished shooting already. I shot for it last year in London, and now I'm just waiting for it to come out. And I'm also starting season 2 of For More Shots, which is a show that I'm in on Amazon and have made in Heaven, another Amazon show coming out 8th of March. So yeah, it is an exciting year.
Okay, lastly, what would you like to say? Something about to your fans, what would like to say something?
Wear Papa Don't Preach, which is her brand, and Akuri by Puri, which is my brand. And thank you for your love.
Thank you. Bye bye.
This is her whole collection with art installation and everything. You can go sit there also. Yeah. You can ask her about a collection, about what is the inspiration and the art of her, and her new collection of. One Pragya.
हाँ भाई टीचर
पहले था ना निकाल ले यार
And we see through the eyes of a girl called Alice. So I'm having shades of and find herself in a very strange place where it's very nice. And okay, nonetheless, let me explore what this new world is and let me call it Earth.
She has not said actually. She had said medium or large, but numbers she has written.
10 is a large and now 12 is a like
Reach, and I loved coming here. I think this was and this is the best thing that I did in the day today. So please tell us something about your new collection.
So the collection you see here is what we take in. It's inspired by Alice and Adventures on Earth.
Both of you here?
Sorry.
It's easier, she'll understand also
Yeah.
since she's wearing it. It'll be much simpler. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's it.